Welcome to Algebra Applications. Today, we are going to master work problems, specifically focusing on how to combine rates of work. This is a very common topic in algebra that deals with how fast people or machines complete tasks together. First, let's define what we mean by rate of work. Rate is simply the speed at which a job is completed. Instead of just looking at the total time it takes to finish a task, we look at how much of that task gets done in a single unit of time, like 1 hour or 1 minute. For example, if a job takes 4 hours, 1/4 of the job is done each hour. Here is the core formula you need to know. Work equals rate multiplied by time. In most textbook problems, the work is considered to be one single completed job. So, we can manipulate this formula to find that rate equals work divided by time. Let's see how to calculate a rate with a simple example. If it takes Alex 5 hours to paint a room, his rate of work is not 5. His rate is 1/5. This means in one single hour, he completes 1/5 of the total job. Always convert the time into a fraction like this. Now, what happens when two people work together? Logic tells us they will finish faster. Mathematically, we add their speeds. We add rate A plus rate B to get a total rate. We do not add the times together, we must add the rates. Let's look at a classic example. Alice can paint a fence in 3 hours. Bob can paint the same fence in 6 hours. The question is, how long will it take if they work together? Notice that Alice is twice as fast as Bob. Here is the step-by-step solution. First, find their individual rates. Alice is 1/3 and Bob is 1/6. Second, add these fractions. 1/3 plus 1/6 equals 3/6, which simplifies to 1/2. This means their combined speed is half the job per hour. Finally, flip this fraction to find the time. 1/2 becomes 2 hours. Sometimes you have forces working against each other. A common scenario involves pipes filling and draining a tank. One pipe adds water, while another removes it. In this case, instead of adding the rates, you subtract the draining rate from the filling rate. Here is an example of opposing work. An inlet pipe can fill a pool in 5 hours. A drain pipe can empty it in 10 hours. We want to know how long it takes to fill the pool if both pipes are left open by mistake. Let's solve it. The filling rate is 1/5. The draining rate is 1/10. Since the drain is removing water, we subtract 1/10 from 1/5. Finding a common denominator of 10, we get 2/10 minus 1/10, which equals 1/10. Flipping this final fraction tells us it will take 10 hours to fill the pool. To summarize the process for any work problem, Step 1, express everyone's speed as a fraction, which is 1 over their time. Step 2, add the fractions if they are helping each other or subtract if they are working against each other. Step 3, take the resulting fraction and flip it to get the total time. Follow these steps and you will solve these problems every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.